Looking for a quick and easy way to upgrade your camp chair, outdoor furniture, or even your car seat? Meet the HEST Foamy Chair Cushion. Featuring premium memory foam, a durable water-resistant cover, and an easy carry handle for plush, portable comfort at camp, on the road, or anywhere you lounge. The HEST Foamy Chair Cushion packs down compactly with built-in compression straps and an easy carry handle. Setting it up is simple. Just unclip and unroll the cushion. Place it into your chair with the longer section supporting your back and the shorter section under your seat. Then sit back and relax. Designed to be versatile and interchangeable across a wide range of chair styles, from the campground to the backyard. The Foamy Chair Cushion also works great as a portable travel seat cushion for long drives and road trips. Use it fully unfolded for complete back and seat support, then fold it in half at night to help protect the foam from dew and dirt. When it's time to pack up, simply fold the cushion in half to carry to your vehicle or roll it up tight using the compression straps. Both carry configurations feature a built-in handle for grab-and-go portability. Built with dirt and water-resistant materials, the Foamy Chair Cushion is made to handle life outdoors. The removable cover is machine washable. Just wash cold and hang dry. When not in use, store your cushion in a clean, dry place. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit HEST.com or email us anytime at info@HEST.com.